Can you show us your gut?
Okay, that's not something you should show on a camera, video camera.
I'm on YouTube. I don't even know. This guy?
Everything's public.
Shameless.
Shameless plug for Mary Scott.
YouTube. Already.
Do you know Goni told a ghost story? It has 50,000 views now.
Some Vietnamese people. I bet they're just watching her for her storytelling process. Half the people believe that stuff.
Are you both sick?
Yes. Like, I'm surrounded by germs.
Let me look at your shoe.
Just take some vitamin C
You
right
guys
there.
both were like cross coughing across me. Are you sick? No. You're gonna be sick.
No, I've been taking my vitamin C. I'm not getting sick. Doesn't matter.
Guys are... Jeez.
No,
I'm sick. He's awful.
we just happened to be sick at the same time. I picked him up at the airport, and he was sitting at the airport for like 5 hours. And then when I picked him up, he didn't realize that he missed his plane already, so I had to pick him up in San Jose. And then when I dropped him off at my house, he was already sick. He's been sitting there at the airport so long, he's got
What
chills.
kind of international traveler are you that you missed your plane from San Diego to San Francisco?
He got delayed 4 hours. He didn't fly in until like 11 o'clock at night. We're getting checked this.
How old are you? You should just take that home and give it to your friend that you're staying with.
Probably.
Yeah, I think so. And you might take it to go?
Do you need cough drops?
No, I don't need cough drops. I'm not sick. I'm gonna go home now.
Where's my C-boy? Where's my C-boy?
See, boy. I'm so done.
What?
It's June. June what?